the shadows of the words we never said, trying to hold the pieces of the things we left for dead. Your heartbeat feels so distant, like a star that lost its flame. But I'm reaching through the darkness, still whispering your name.
And I know you're hurting, hiding scars behind your smile. But love is not a moment, it's a war we fight in miles.
So when the night gets colder than the memories we made, I'll be standing in the fire just to pull you from the pain. I love you through the pain, through the storm, through the pouring rain. Even when your heart is breaking down, I'll be the one who turns your world around. I love you through the tears, every moment, every silent fear. No matter what you lose or what you gain, I love you through the pain. You don't have to hide the thunder that you carry in your chest. You don't have to fight the world alone or prove you're doing best. I'll hold the weight beside you, let me be a quiet place. The arms you fall into when you feel you're losing grace. Your battles are my battles and your scars are part of me. Baby, you can break and still be everything I need, yeah.
Even when you're shattered, love, I'll gather every piece. Together we are stronger, together we find peace.
I love you through the pain, through the storm, through the pouring rain. Even when your heart is breaking down, I'll be the one who turns your world around. I love you through the tears, every moment, every silent fear. No matter what you lose or what you gain, I love you through the pain. When the world feels heavy on your shoulders, I'll carry it with you, we'll be soldiers.
When your voice is trembling in the dark, I'll light a fire inside your heart.
Hold on, don't let go. Love's a river in your soul. We rise again, again, again.
I love you through the pain. When the colors fade and all feels drained, I lift you when you're too lost to stand. I'll fight for you with everything I am. I love you through the tears, every shadow, every broken fear, in every heartbreak, every strain.
I love you through the pain. Even when we fall apart,
I'll still be holding on to you.
love isn't perfect, love is brave. And I love you